In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page in FigJam. If you're organizing a workshop, separating brainstorming topics, or just keeping different sections of your project tidy, adding a new page in FigJam is a simple way to keep everything clear and easy to navigate. First, open your FigJam board. This can be a brand new board or one you've already been working in. Give the file a second to load so the toolbar and interface elements appear. Think of the board as your working space, and pages as separate canvases inside that same space. Perfect for grouping ideas by agenda item, team, or phase of a project. Now, look to the top left area of the FigJam interface. You'll see a small box-shaped icon in the toolbar. This icon opens the Pages area. It may look like a square or a simple tile, and depending on your theme or updates, the style might vary slightly, but it lives in that top left region. Clicking it reveals the Pages panel, which is where you'll manage the different canvases in your board. If your window is very narrow, the icon can feel a bit tucked away, so make sure you're looking at the full toolbar. With the Pages panel open, find the plus icon. This is the control for creating a new page. Go ahead and click the plus icon to add a page. FigJam will create a blank page instantly, giving you a fresh canvas where you can drop sticky notes, shapes, connectors, and anything else you need. You'll notice the new page appears in the panel, so you can always hop back to your original content when you need to. Once your new page is created, consider how you'll use it. Many teams dedicate one page per topic or phase, which keeps discussions focused and prevents clutter. You can move between pages using the same Pages panel, and because everything stays within the same file, your collaborators can follow along and contribute in real time. If you're facilitating a session, adding a page ahead of time for each activity helps your group move smoothly from one part of the workshop to the next. A quick tip: consistency matters. Keeping page names clear and concise will make it easier for your teammates to find the right spot. Also, try grouping related content on the same page so you avoid spreading a single idea across multiple canvases. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click the box icon in the top left to view pages, and then click the plus icon to add a new page. With just those actions, you'll keep your FigJam files organized and your collaboration flowing.